Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make a quick, easy, on the go salad, even though my daughter's saying that it's not a salad, but I beg to differ that it is definitely a salad, and it's a to-go salad. Okay, so here are my ingredients. I'm trying to keep it super simple, super easy. Cilantro, a piece of half of lemon, and I have my lettuce. I'm gonna add some olive. I'm laughing because Tabitha Brown just come into my mind. It's like, okay, because it's my business. All right. And then some extra olive oil. That's what I'm gonna use as my dressing, and the lemon and the cilantro. That is it. That is all. All right, let's get to it. Never mind this. I just juice, okay? So don't pay that. No mind. All right, let's just not look at that. I'm gonna cut these in half. I think the potatoes are gonna take me the longest time. Yes, I gotta cut them. And I will show you after I cut them what they are looking like. Everything has been washed thoroughly and vinegar and soak honey. Okay, so I'm still cutting. My vegetables are looking mighty good. I love making this because it's, I don't know, I find it very easy, very convenient for my, this is a very odd angle, let me check here. Very easy, very convenient to carry to work. I mean, you could carry any salad to work, but you just have to put it in a nice clip. To do so, okay, cutting them forth. My daughter said this is not a salad. I beg to differ. Like, she didn't see the lettuce. Even if you didn't have lettuce, it's still a salad in my eye. Okay. It is. So how's everybody doing with this New Year's? Already February. It's my son's birthday today. We're gonna go out to eat and take some pictures. I was thinking about baking him a cake, but I should be mind. But I make him some chicken wings and some homemade fried. So just to have a little snack and a little salad, you know, just so there's something to eat around the house. He's 21, oh my gosh. He came home last night from work and with the shot in his hand already. Lord help us, if you're mother, you already know. I'll cut these two. I'll be back. Yeah, let me get it. Yummy and delicious. Everything is looking right there. You know what I forgot? I'm gonna get some carrots. Hold on. This is my carrot. I swirl it, try to be fancy. All right, I have my 2 containers over here. You don't have to use these. You could use, of course, you can use a bowl, but that's what I'm using for the dressing. It's super simple. I'm just squeezing the lemon in here. Squeeze. You can use any dressing you like, of course, but I found this to be, make it taste nice and fresh. And a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, healthy fat, why not? Like a dribble. I don't measure these things, so. And this is like the star of the show. The cilantro. I don't know, you just make it fresh one. The fresh one. Did I get some seed in here? I gotta double check. I don't like those seeds. Trying to take out the seed here. Okay. I think I got it. Okay, so we gotta put some pepper. Just seasoning us a little salad. A little dry basil. So good. And what else we're adding? A little bit of salt, okay? We gotta put a little bit of salt. Not too much at all. We don't need that much. That might probably be too much, but get a fork. Excuse me. Alright, just gonna swirl it a little bit around. a seed. We don't want any seed in here at all. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit in here. You swirl it around. Of course, make your own guessing, whatever you want to do. And now I'm gonna add the tomatoes first. Trying to add equal amounts in each container. I don't want to lose any. Don't fall. Okay. If I had chickpeas, I would have added chickpeas in here as well, but I do not have chickpeas, so I'm basically using what I have on hand. I have the cucumbers. You see, you're just building it. See, just building the salad. And I'm ready to eat it. I like to put it in a jar like that because when you're ready to eat, you could just grab it. You only prep once. That's the beauty of this. You prep one time and then you have, you know, the salad ready anytime you want to. Gotta press it down a little bit. It's looking so nice. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. So easy. I'm gonna add the olive. I didn't put that much salt because the olive already, you know, kind of salty. There you go. And then now I'm going to add the lettuce. You see? Add your lettuce. Press it down. Whatever doesn't fit. Of course, if you're carrying this to work, you have to bring an empty, you know, I would bring an empty bowl. Just so that you could mix it up. You know, so you could eat more of it. But this is a salad. On the go. You carry this to work, to a picnic. You know what I'm saying? Like, to a nice little picnic, and you carry your salad, and then you carry your bowl or plate with you when you're ready to eat it. That is it. You see? Meal prep. Now, this is for everybody in my house to eat. Whoever wants to eat this, half of it. You see? Very convenient. I could just pick it up and have it. You know, the dressing is on the bottom. I don't have to worry about that. If I want, I could carry extra dressing. You know, if I want to be extra, why not? And that's how I make on-the-go salad. That's meal prep right there. I have my salad ready. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I do the same thing with fruits. Like, I have my berries on the bottom. Doesn't have to be. And I have some pineapple on top. It's like ready to go. I would just grab it. Or anybody in the house can grab it and take it to go. Or eat as a snack.